Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullah. We are practicing chapter number 6. Let's start. Swad pesh su. Swad is thick. Ha pesh ru. Ha will come out from the middle of throat. Fa double zabar fa. And we will do ikhfa because of tanween. Suhu fa. Repeat with me. Suhu fa. Suhu fa. Next is waw zabar wa. Sin zabar sa. Twa double zabar ta. It is thick letter and it is not ta, it is ta. Wasa ta. Repeat with me. Wasa ta. Wasa ta. Next is twa zabar ta. It is thick letter and it is not ta, it is ta. Ba zabar ba. Qaf double zer qim. Qaf is thick and we will do ikhfa here because of tanween. Tabaqin. Repeat with me. Tabaqin. Tabaqin. It is not tabaqin, it is tabaqin. Next is ta zabar ta. Again, ta is thick and it is not ta, it is ta. Ba zabar ba. Qaf double zabar qa. And qaf is thick and we will do ikhfa because of tanween. Tabaqan. It is not tabaqan, it is tabaqan. Repeat with me. Tabaqan. Tabaqan. Next is ta pesh tu. Again, ta is thick and it is not ta, it is ta. Ta pesh tu. Waw double zabar va. And we will do ikhfa. Tuwa. Repeat with me. Tuwa. Tuwa. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khairan kathira. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullah.